Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Patriot shift knob. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Make sure your vehicle is safely in park with the parking brake engaged. Then, gently begin to pry up the trim piece that surrounds the base of the shift knob. This will expose the components underneath, allowing you to proceed with the next steps. Next, carefully pull the shift boot upwards, sliding it over the knob to reveal the securing mechanism. You'll then need to locate either a retaining clip or a screw that holds the shift knob firmly onto the shaft. Once identified, use your screwdriver to carefully loosen or completely remove this retaining mechanism. This step is crucial for freeing the knob from its position. With the retaining mechanism loose, you can now firmly pull the shift knob straight up and off the shaft. It's important to avoid twisting or forcing the knob during this step, as that could potentially damage the shift shaft itself. After removal, take a moment to inspect the shaft for any leftover pieces or debris before you prepare to install your new shift knob. To install your new shift knob, simply align it with the shaft and push it down firmly until it's seated correctly. Then, reattach the retaining clip or screw to ensure the new knob is securely in place. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.